I'm Garrett Birdman, and this is Berg in Outdoors. Oh yeah, it's crappie.
Oh, you want me to fire up the rig?
Oh, it's already on.
It is?
Oh yeah, he'll make 10.
Oh yeah.
First fish in a while for Bergen Outdoors. Go ahead and measure him just to make sure, and then I'll probably put him in the basket.
Dinner tonight. I'm out.
Oh, that's catfish.
Ah, you little shit. Get off the damn line. Did I snag him too?
No. God, but he choked it. Oh.
It's just not a pleasant experience catching catfish, folk.
Stupid.
This little
Stupid
shit.
channel cat.
Fuck me. Oh, he's pissing on me, damn it. Fuckers. That hook's in a shitty spot. Give me those pliers.
That's so Jack.
Do your pliers have a good edge on them?
Yeah, they're right here. Watch the Shields.
Shields Outdoors.
Shields Outdoors is a big supporter of the Bergen Outdoors YouTube channel. Supplying with you all your
Fuck
local
you.
hunting and
Oh
fishing
shit.
gear.
Well, it's like I just jerked off. Credit, I don't jerk off. I just got some catfish. Berg and I don't jerk each other off. We're not about that shit stuff. Don't get demonetized. Don't demonetize me. Catfish ruin your day. That's just about where we're settling with this.
Yep, there's another one. Another crappie. Oh, he's smaller than the last one. Ain't gonna be a keeper, so I gotta throw this one back. Tiny one. Alright, got one on, guys. Yep. Another crappie. Oh yeah,
That's a good one.
This one's gonna be a keeper. That's a keeper right here. Third one in a row. I'm in the spot. First keeper of the night right there.
Got one?
Yep, another crappie on. I don't think he's gonna make.
I don't think he'll make the cut.
He's like 6 inches, so we are on him today. We're gonna catch some big ones, some 11-inch suckers. I'm about to catch another one right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got another one on.
Oh.
Oh, might have to measure him.
That's gonna be a close one.
Down the spot. Here's the thing. I never catch crappie. This one's going to be short. But I never catch crappie in the springtime. I always got to wait till like midsummer when it's like 95 degrees out to catch one of these suckers. I don't know if it's because everyone's out crappie fishing in the springtime and no one's out in the summertime, but it's like number 4 right there. That spot right there is hot. I'm telling you, right there. You go in there with one of these little bobber rigs, guarantee you catch one thing. 2 minutes. I already got one. I already got one on right here. Oh,
That's
yeah,
a
this
good
is a
one.
keeper.
That's a good one.
Oh, fuck.
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
That little shit.
Well, here's a mistake I made. I was forcing that sucker in, and I whipped his lip where my hook was.
That was a big sucker.
That was an 11-incher. Yeah, there's one right there. Got another one. I'm smoking them. Not as good as the last one, but this is still a keeper. It's the biggest one of the night. Woke up this morning craving crappie. I think I'm getting it. Go ahead and measure him. Oh yeah, He is past 10, so he's going in the basket. Oh yeah. Mr. Crappie.
Probably an 8er.
We're gonna see. That'll be 10. I don't know.
That's not 10. Oh! Hey.
It is short. Go ahead and throw him back.
Bass at that and it came out. Or maybe my hook's too small.
Did you let the bobber go down? Oh, hook on it.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, you on?
My bobber's gone.
Oh, what? One thing that's free in fishing is setting the hook. No one charges you for setting the hook. Boom, he's on.
We're whacking this one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna double up right here.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, I missed him.
We're
gonna double up.
I don't think my hook, this isn't a big one.
We're gonna double up.
Oh, this might be actually not a bad one. No.
White bass?
Yeah, it looks like it. You want to net him? Or you want to just let me pull him up?
Oh, it don't matter.
Oh, a little white bass. Yeah.
There you go.
Look at that sucker. Going in the basket. Here they are. I'm going to throw right behind them and then drag my bobber in. That cast right there was sponsored by Shields Outdoors, along with the Crazy Goose T-shirt company. Exclusive producers of Bergen Outdoors T-shirts.
Where can you buy those t-shirts at?
You can buy those T-shirts at Creekside Baseball Park in Northland, Kansas City.
On Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
Tuesdays and Wednesdays, 9 o'clock to noon. Occasionally 12:30 if Jeremy Jones talks a lot.
Oh, I've got one.
Really?
Oh yeah, I've got one. Yep, got one on. I believe this is a catfish, so Pearson, get the net. There you go.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Biggest fish of the night. This is the world's biggest crappie. Brought to you by Shields Outdoors.
Where is it?
Running. Hope it's a flathead. Where is it? I'm trying, but I got 6-pound test Shields Outdoors line on.
Well, that shit ain't gonna break anyways. So. You want me to grab it?
No, don't grab it. But, okay. Yeah.
You gonna take him home?
No. Trash fish #1, baby.
Ew. Is that? Look at the.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's stupid of me. Why would I do that?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Hopefully he just comes off.
I really want to. Just net him and hold him over there.
You need help? You good?
No, I'm good.
Okay, good.